Director General of Police jong ka jinglah ka kong ida sisya nongrang kala keren syai ba katanat pelit kenam ailad ba ka HNLC kan peni ya ka pynibor jong ka DGP ka kong ida sisya kala ong ba katanat pelit jong ka jinglah kan tristom ban khanglat ikino kino ka jingtumu jong ka Neutral National Liberation Council ban peni ya ka jingdon ni ka jinglah jong ka keren jong ka DGP kawan habakali habayde ke jingbu bom IED ke HNLC hajan kami kala rural bang hayo umsning dangshen kala berabru da kabaong ba ke HNLC kan persyang ban peni ya ke jingdon ber ke jingla jongka rai katanat kan tresitom ban pek ba kino ijingla jongka kinam la ban pun urlang kala berabru da kabaong ba ke jingkhang kadang pli ban kren yesuk da kabaong ba lengba ke jingsuk kinla ban poi sya ka suk shong sai.
Where HNLC is concerned, I think I would like to reserve my comments. They have their grouses, they have their reasons, and government has made it clear numerous times that the door is always open for negotiations. But HNLC should also realize that unless there's a negotiated agreement in the system that we are in the country that we are in, it's not going to work. Violence it's not the answer.
But considering their activities, we have seen the police managed to prevent that bomb in Umsning recently. How do you see this strong of illegal activities of the?
Well, they obviously would be trying to make sure that their presence is known and that that they still have the capabilities. We are trying our best to ensure that those capabilities are not demonstrated.
Okay. Thank you for your time.